black screen. Hey guys, I'm the gaming artwork. I really hope this isn't. Oh god, this is actually probably copyrighted. Oh, whatever, I don't care. I'm thinking about making a second channel to be as copyrighted as possible. No, I'm not. I'm kidding. Why would I ever do that in my life? I don't know. So, since I don't have stuff to clean with me, I am going for like a little 10 minutes on a monkey lane. I don't know what's with the khaki thing there. Oh wait, that's the I made up Facebook. No, whatever. I don't need that thing. That thing. Just a made up Facebook. And I'm made up. That really has no information on it at all. I'm going to easy mode because I'm just a big fat butt. And yeah. I'm not using any special agents. I, for the most part, don't usually use that. Most of the time, I just kind of just don't use them. It's just how I want to be. That's how I'm gonna be. Because that's just the guy who I am. Also, I'm an impatient toothpaste, so like, I always speed this thing up. If you hate that, and you're playing, like, if you're watching this on a computer, because I normally don't watch YouTube on a computer, I'll be honest. But if you're watching this on a computer, then, and you want this slower, the audio may sound really messed up, but just hold the spacebar or something. And then you'll see what happens. You probably already have done it if you're watching on a computer. If you're watching on a tablet like I normally do, well, there's no way to help you. I can't help you. Sorry. I'm not sure what I want. Look. Oh wait, I have one Superman store. Yeah, I sometimes use them, but normally I don't use many special agents. Oh. I wish I could use my water guys. They're my best guys. I'm telling you. If I knew how to make the money farm, I would probably do that. Go take a dump and then come back here. What? Okay, that makes no sense at all. Let's pretend that I didn't say that. So, can you get a monkey ace? Because that's, I'm feeling the ace right now, guys. I'm telling you, I'm feeling the ace. I'm feeling the ace right now. The overpowered ace. Look at that. It's a good, it's not a bad speed. Pineapple present. It poops pineapples, okay guys? That's what the pineapple present does. Okay? Don't judge him. He eats a bunch of pineapples. He's a good boy. Again, like most of you are. Because you're hackers and hackers are just plain out butts. I hate hackers. Hackers are butts. Like, serious butts. So, let me go. Actually, no, I'll do that next episode. I don't want my sister coming in here. This stuff clean. I don't want her coming in here right now. Or she might just slam on IM and I can't use this video, and I want to use this video because it's going pretty well. So, as you can see, I'm a lot more enthusiastic than the last video. Because last video I was just being an unenthusiastic food face because I was tired. Now I'm not as tired and I hate school. Sorry for you people who love school. I mean, I like school-ish, okay? That is my story, and I am going to stick with it, I guess. I guess I kind of have to because I just said that. And I'm telling you, it's not a lie, though. I hate school. School's evil. Oh no! Put down the wizard, hunter. I like hunting, okay? I like to hunt. So I call myself hunter because I like to hunt, okay guys? I'm major hunter. I haven't done it in a while though, but pretty good. It's okay. I don't like having to kill all those animals, but I mean, it's okay. Play Call of Duty. That's fun. Call of Duty is a fun game. I'm probably not going to be doing it on this channel. Boom, get out! Okay. So, I obviously need a lot more defense here. I want to get the never miss thingy. Sounds weird to me. Never miss thing. The never miss. Never miss. Never miss. Sounds like mist. Never miss. Nova miss. Nova miss. Let's get up here. So. I actually just got done with homework. I'm finally done with homework. If you guys don't know anything of what school is, it's the most boring thing in life. And the most annoying because you have to go to it as a kid. That's your home school. I don't even know if it counts as real school, but I mean, I guess it technically does. It technically has to because, like, seriously. It's got school in its name, so just being taught from home. Anyway, I love my Bionic Boomers. They're my pets. My pet Bionic Boomer. Got a pet monkey downstairs. Put a robot arm on him and some fire glaives and hold him bionic. That's a cool name, right? Yeah, I never did that. That would just be monkey abuse, wouldn't it? Would that be monkey abuse? I don't know. I think it would be, right? Wouldn't it? Dang it. Hate losing lives. It's so annoying. And so whiny. Whatever. I gotta remember that I'm literally talking, like, I guess not technically right now because, like, I'm just starting here, but I gotta remember that, like, I'm technically talking to, like, 1 million people. Technically. And it feels, like, really weird to know that, like, you're by yourself, but once you put this up on the internet, you're going to be technically talking to, like, a bunch of people that you don't even know, and they don't even know who you are. Unless they're, like, friends or family, but I don't think any of them really have watched my videos yet. Maybe a few of them. Left Queen is obviously, because seriously, she helped me make my first video. And since she's done that, I mean, I guess I gotta let her into my other video too. What? Oh, bye guys. Yep, that's probably copyrighted. Okay. See you guys.